Yo, so we down here, man. We got tools out everywhere. We got Bishop down in the RCK.
What's going on, fellas?
We down here wrenching, getting Bishop right. You know, you see, he got the Floyd Vick jump. The Why So Serious body. Got the good engine down there, doing some mock-up on it. Getting everything right on it. We got the chain set. Yo, we even learned how to use a chain breaker. Chain breaker out here, yo. This is all new stuff to us, man. We still figuring this stuff out, man. Oh, we breaking it out.
Dark Soul.
Dark Soul chain breaker.
DDM, lifesaver.
Yep. Dude, we did it. We actually made the right length chain for it. This chain was a little too long. Like I said, we did the little chain breaker joint. Got it on there, set it up, tighten up this screw here, and broke the chain loose. And
we learned not to tighten it, not to make it too tight when you put it back on.
There you go.
You gotta give it some play.
So, what he's saying is, with these links, when you put it back on, and you tighten that back up, make sure you don't squeeze it too much, because then there'll be no flex in the chain.
Yeah. Piece much we took out.
Yep. See here? There go the little pin that you got to push out with the little chain breaker tool. So, this all new, man. It's all Floyd Vick. It's parts that we got to get used to. Here you go. Yeah. But we cleaning up now, so we done for the night. We went out wrapping a little bit. You know, went out wrapping a little bit and came back in and did a little bit of wrenching. We got to get this stuff right, yo. It's time to get it right.
Definitely getting there.
Almost that season, right? You know.
That's for sure.
So that being said, we got a package we about to unbox too, yo. Let's see if we can get this over here. Got a box. Nah, you can unbox it actually.
Okay.
Got a little box.
You know, I don't keep the adult knife on me.
Hold on, I got one for you.
There you go.
So we got a box coming from my man Greg Datcher. Everybody knows Greg, yo. So, you know he do some paint. I had to bring him out of retirement for this jump. See how this turns out. I'm sure it's gonna be sick. Man, yo, we got a ton of stuff in the way down here, boy. Look at all this stuff, man. Look at the table. Lord, we out here wrenching. We getting it in.
Parts box.
You know what I mean? Parts everywhere. You got pipes hanging. We out here getting it, man. What we looking like, Joe? Oh, he turned his back. Trying to do the drum roll, please.
Ooh. Okay.
See what we got, man. Oh, snap.
Ooh. Okay, Greg. Ooh,
Yeah, he said nice little simple joint, but it's gonna be sick.
I got in the
And shipping? That's all right. I'll buff that out.
Yeah, that's
I'll buff
good.
that out. I'll buff that out.
This is nice.
Yo. That's sick. Got my colors in it. Got the purple in it. Got the fire on it.
Man.
Oh, yeah. I like that.
Nice.
I like that. You know what? You know what this reminds me of? Check this out. Check this out. Back here in the corner.
Ah.
That's what that reminds me of. There's another Greg Datcher right there. That's my nitro joint. Yeah, so he sized it up.
That's nice.
Yo, I like this.
Yeah, that's nice.
Look at that joint, man.
That's nice.
Yeah, I like this. We gotta get this set. This is gonna go on the primal up here, like such. Once I do a little bit of trimming.
Don't fall. I don't want you falling on tape.
Do a little bit of trimming, that's gonna be on point. Yeah.
I like the silver in that.
Yeah, that gentleman tight. That chrome.
Yeah, that chrome.
Yeah, I like this. Greg knocked it out the box again. That's what's up. We'll get that nose piece buffed out. I'll get that off of there. But yeah, this is sick. Thanks, Greg, man. Appreciate that, bro. Get that up there.
Ooh, she got new attitude.
Yeah, totally different now, yo.
Look, you got a new attitude.
Totally different, yo. So, let's go ahead and clean up, man. Call it night. What time is it anyhow, yo? Let's see what time it is down there tonight. 8 o'clock, 7:49. We done had visitors all day today. We had Motor Mike come through for a little bit. We had Coach come through. Yeah. We had Motor Mike's cousin come through. Yeah. And you know, we down here wrenching, man. You know, we got.
Don't forget the best.
Oh,
MCD.
got some new tools that came in for Bishop. He down with the family now.
Got some wrenching to do in my lab.
Yeah, you know, we got some new tools that came in, and you know, I got to clean up, y'all. So I'm about to get off. This is a quick little video, quick little update of where we at in the craziness of my RC cave, and we catch you later, man.
Peace.
So, yo, out.